Good morning, people. We are in Stamford, Connecticut today. I arrived earlier. I'm gonna get those cars moved. We are here to take down that tree over there. And we're lucky to have our 75-footer because the tree sits probably 20 feet taller. The tree is super big. So since the tree sits probably a good at least 25 feet taller than the base of the driveway here, we're gonna get our truck as close as possible. We're gonna put a rigging line on that oak with the red leaves. We're gonna lower stuff down there because we have a lot of nice ornamental trees here. So we don't want to crush those. And there's the tree from the street. The guys have arrived. We're ready to do the business. We're ready to do the thing that we do. So this is how the beginning of the tree looks like. As you guys can see, the truck has a little bit more reach, but we definitely have more height. And the tree is bigger than what it looks, my friends. We're probably gonna have to like put plywood there and jump it in the grass. We are gonna try to set up a line on the red oak over there, just to rig some tops over this way. We'll see. So here's the advantage. This articulation here gives us another 15 feet of height. So there's a difference between height and reach. Sometimes you need the height, sometimes you need the reach, and this boom truck has both. So we are going to be able to reach the whole tree from here, which is amazing. Okay, now we're ready. There goes one of the tops, and we just have that other top left. Pretty good size stuff, as you guys can see. All we have left is to chip up the entire tree, and the tree's gone. And there are the logs. We got everything. There's the base of the tree, which is done. Now we just have to remove the logs, and that's it, my friends. Okay, friends, it's time to call it a day. It's time to go home, especially now that it gets dark a little bit earlier. It's pretty nice, right?